Okay guys, what's going on? So today I picked up another turn signal, so we're gonna smoke that. And we got the exhaust tip to put on, and got a couple decals to put on, and we're gonna mount the spoiler, and we got insurance for it now. So we're gonna put the plates on. And yeah, so that's the plan for today. And just smoking this out right now. Another coat of paint on that, so it looks a bit better. Spoiler is on.
Both turn signals are on.
Yep.
That looks sweet.
Turn signals. Yeah, they're pretty matched.
Oh yeah.
Matched close enough.
You couldn't tell that they're different.
No, and then like that thing over in the corner on this one.
Oh yeah.
The smoke makes it look not as bad. So we just gotta mount the license plates on the front and rear. 2 stickers, then the exhaust on. And yeah. So got the plate mounted with zip ties. Just gotta do the back one with a couple of screws. And that'll be good. Got the decals on. And yeah. Yeah. Camera?
Yeah. It's on.
Alright, so we're just under here. I got the exhaust rigged up, and I don't know if you've ever seen anything more haggard than this, but that's how we're doing the exhaust. This clamp is too big. Or, well, this clamp is the right size, but the tip pipe compared to this pipe is quite a bit off, probably like 1/4 to 1/2 inch. So that's how we're rigging it up. And that's how it looks out here. It's just kind of dirty now from doing all that stuff, but right, so we're gonna give it a quick fire. Twin pipes. She's a rough fire, but haven't used it that much since we got it, so that's probably why.
Not like at all.
Yeah.
Give it a second and we'll give it a little bit of a rev.
Yeah, we'll let it run for a couple minutes. Alright, so gonna give it a quick rev. Oh, there's a lawnmower. Yeah, that's different. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.